This is the CHIKE high protein coffee mix. Mocha iced coffee. I love this stuff. And it has a really great mocha taste to it. It has 1 gram of sugar in it and 20 grams of whey protein. Just to let you know, it comes in a resealable bag. You can see that right there. You can see the powder mix. Comes with a little scoop inside of here. And you can see how fine the granules are on this. 2 scoops of this is 1 serving. And on the back here, we're looking at 120 calories per 2 scoops, which is great because 2 scoops is what you need here. So basically, simple to make. 2 scoops of this, and you can either put it in milk, you can put it in water, however you want to do it. Shake it up, and you are good to go. It gives you a little strength chart on the back here, so if you just wanted to do like a little mild boost, you could do 1 scoop, moderate, you could do 2 scoops, which is the normal serving, or if you wanted to get an intense boost in the morning, you could do 3 scoops, which would give you 30 grams of protein. So 10, 20, 30 grams of protein. It's non-GMO, tastes great, it's easy to make, and it's a nice little treat in the morning instead of the normal old coffee.